Hey folks, welcome back to another video where I'll walk you through how to add and remove flags on user stories within Jira. By understanding how this function works, you're going to feel much more at ease when it comes to managing your development tasks, and it will also help you keep your workflow transparent for the rest of your team. So let's dive right in. Let's start by adding a flag to a user story. First, you'll need to find and open the specific user story you wish to flag. Easy enough, right? You can do this by simply clicking on the issue key directly from your board view, or even from your search results, if you've pulled it up that way. The goal here is to have your user story open and ready for action. Once that's opened, shift your attention to the top right corner of the issue view. Here, you'll find the More Actions menu, which is sneakily represented by an ellipsis or three dots that look like these. Give that a click and you'll open up a trove of options. From this drop-down menu, your mission is to opt for the choice that says Add Flag. As soon as you select it, you'll notice a change almost immediately. The user stories card will brandish an eye-catching red flag icon, a silent but powerful signal to your team. Plus, the card itself will often light up with a yellow background on your Jira boards. That's because Jira is making sure that it screams for attention among your other tasks. A flagged story indicates a task with a problem or an impediment, helping your team to prioritize their work and to discuss possible solutions in your stand-ups. Now, how about when you need to remove a flag because the issue has been tackled? Well, my friends, it's almost the mirrored process. Begin by opening the user story that currently has a flag applied. Remember that glaring red flag icon and yellow background? That's your target. Once open, head back over to that More Actions menu in the top right corner. This time, the menu option that helpfully offered to add flag before will now read Remove Flag. When you see it, go ahead and select this option. And just like that, the flag icon will vanish, and the yellow highlight will be dismissed from the card on your board, signaling that the impediment has been resolved. A satisfying moment indeed. It's easy to follow these steps once you've done them a few times, but if you ever find yourself a bit lost or unsure during your first attempts, don't worry. You've got this. And you've also got this tutorial to refer back to as many times as you need. And that's it for this video, my friends. I hope this short tutorial on how to flag and unflag user stories in Jira has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything we've covered, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'd be happy to help. And remember, if you want to be first to get hold of more helpful tutorials like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep those projects organized and your Jira boards clear. Happy coding!